You open AI, you paste in your notes. You ask it to explain the chapter, the bits that didn't quite land in lecture, the parts that felt slippery. The output comes back clean, organized. You reread it. The material feels familiar. You feel covered. Then, you sit the exam. The material that felt so clear hours ago isn't there the way you need it to be. The feeling of knowing isn't knowing, and AI is exceptionally good at giving you the feeling. There are two loud positions about AI in studying. One says AI will replace studying entirely. Upload the notes, read the explanation, done. The other says using AI to study is cheating yourself out of actually learning. Both miss the move underneath. AI doesn't replace the cognitive work that builds recall. It changes whether you do that work or it does it for you. A 2006 study that's been replicated dozens of times since compared two groups of students. Both studied the same passage. One group reread it, the other tested themselves on it. A week later, the testers recalled around 20% more of the material. Walking into that final test, the rereaders were the more confident group. They were wrong about themselves. Recognition is not recall. Think of it like a song. You recognize it the moment it plays. Every word, every chord, instantly familiar. Try to sing it from memory without the music, and most of it is gone. Rereading produces recognition. Exams demand recall. The two feel the same from the inside. They are not the same. AI deepens this in a specific way. AI is trained to produce output that lands smoothly. Smoothness produces the feeling of understanding. That feeling is a byproduct of how the tool is built to communicate. It is not a signal of your readiness. The ease AI produces is not your understanding. It is the absence of friction. So the shift. One word. Stop asking AI to explain the material. Start asking AI to test you on it. Here's what that looks like in practice. Upload your chapter. Ask for 10 questions of increasing difficulty. Close your notes. Actually put them away, not in another tab. Say each answer out loud. Then type it in. Don't check anything. Then ask AI to grade you and to surface where you were confident but wrong. Those are the answers that matter. They would have tripped you up in the exam. Now they won't. You found them first. One thing you have to do explicitly. AI will give you easy questions if you let it. Comfort is its default, and comfort is the wrong target for exam prep. Prompt for harder questions, unexpected angles, concepts paired in ways you haven't seen. Overriding the default is part of doing the technique. A 2025 randomized trial out of Harvard tested this directly. Students working with an AI built to ask, not explain, learned significantly more than students taught the same material in an active classroom. The AI wasn't better at teaching. It was better at asking. Using AI to think versus using AI instead of thinking. The hard part isn't the theory. It's doing it when AI's default makes the wrong move easier. So before your next study session, ask yourself, am I asking AI to explain? Or am I asking it to test me? Pick a topic you've been rereading instead of testing yourself on. Try the shift today. 10 questions. Notes closed, then ask AI to surface what you got confidently wrong. Drop your confidently wrong answer in the comments. Those are the gold. Next video. AI isn't just changing how students study. It's quietly reshaping what schools are for. What's actually happening inside classrooms right now, and what it means if you're a student, a parent, or a teacher.